Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sai Fine Arts. So friends, today in this video I am going to paint or design Diya holders, or we can say Diya decorations for the Diwali celebrations. So all the material details I have given in the description box along with the links, and also given the same details in the video caption. So I request you to watch this video till the end and share your feedback in the comment section. So let's begin now. Thank you. So friends, our painting is done on the Diya holder. So you have seen here how simple and easy to do this. So thanks a lot for watching this video till the end, and I hope you have enjoyed. And please, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and comment, and please don't forget to press the bell button. And again, I will meet you in the next upcoming video. Thank you.